Hello again, my brilliant learners. It's always great to have you here, ready to grow your vocabulary. Today's word is all about comparison and how people sometimes feel when they think they are not good enough. Today, we're going to learn the word inferior. So, what does inferior mean? Inferior means not as good as something or someone else. It's often used when comparing quality, status, or ability. Sadly, people sometimes feel inferior when they compare themselves to others. But remember, we all have our own strengths. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word inferior. This phone is cheaper, but the camera is inferior. He felt inferior to his classmates because of his poor grades. These shoes are made of inferior materials. No one should feel inferior because of where they come from. The copy looked good, but it was clearly inferior to the original. All right, now it is time for a short story. Just 10 sentences to help you remember inferior in context. When I started learning French, I met a man who spoke 5 languages. He spoke so fluently and confidently, I felt small next to him. For a moment, I thought I was inferior, but then he smiled and said, when I started, I couldn't even say hello. That made me laugh and feel better. We all begin somewhere, and everyone learns at their own pace. Being a beginner doesn't make you inferior. It makes you brave. Since that day, I've stopped comparing myself to others. I focus on my own progress, and that's enough. Now, I help my students feel proud, never inferior. So, that's the word inferior. A word about comparison, but also about confidence. Use it when talking about quality, feelings, or how we see ourselves. See you next time for another useful word. Take care and keep learning.